Hi friends, you might have noticed that sometimes small cap or lesser known stocks give huge return in a short period of time. Such lesser known stocks, when trading at a very lower level, people normally ignore it. Why? Because first thing is that the company is not a renowned company, stock name they might not have heard earlier. No media, no newspaper, no stock channels, it is being discussed. So instead of looking for investing in these small cap or lesser known stocks, they try to look for the stocks which are being discussed in the channels, right? When any stock is discussed in the channels, that time the stock momentum must have already started. Stocks might have already started its violent move. That is why it comes in the news and being discussed everywhere. If you look at SSWL, see, this is the chart of SSWL. It came to news only during July or August 2021, because by seeing this violent move everywhere it is being discussed. Now similarly, no one was knowing about a company called Carbon Univ, okay, Carbo Univ, till 2021. It came to light only when it broke its all-time high during the first part of 2021. Then it came in the news and the people started showing interest in this stock. Now see, this is the movement Carbo Univ had done during that period. Similarly, Maralover also came to discussion when it crossed 60 level, which was its all-time high that time. But before that, it was doing excellent price action, and this was not being discussed that time. Also, if you look at the Gravitas, see, this is the Gravita, and this stock was also came in the social media channel during the later half of 2021 when it crossed its all-time high during this period. IEX was in existence since 2017, but in 2021 only people started knowing about it. Why? Because it gave this kind of momentum. See, now the question is that, is there any way that we can start watching the stocks even before the news breaks it out, so that we can start monitoring from the lower level itself? I think it is possible. We had suggested Jindworld on 7th September 2021 when it was trading at a mere 79 price. You can check the same in the link provided in the description as well as in the iCard. You can check that. After September 2021, you see the momentum of the stock has given. See, this is the momentum stock has given after September 2021. During this period, everybody started discussing about Zimworld because it was doing unstoppable momentum during that period. However, we could catch it at a very low level, right? Similarly, we had discussed about few more stocks like Webel Solar, Agarwal Industries, Nahar Indus, Mirza International, Zind Drill, etc. in our past videos, when these stocks had not started their momentum even. Now, all these stocks are trading at a very higher price than what was discussed that time. This week, we had fished out a similar stock which is actually trading at a very bottom level. The name of the stock is SATIN Credit Care, right? The stock is trading near its bottom level, so the stop loss is also very low. So this is the monthly chart. If you look at its monthly chart, you can see that the stock is trading near its bottom level, and hence the stop loss would be very very low. We can see the price was in a downward moment since August 2016, and during this fall it was creating a resistance trend line, which is this one. This is the resistance line. If we see it closely, the price has broken the trend line in December 2021, that is after almost 5 years, and after breaking out from this resistance trend line, it is now consolidating near this range. If we move to its weekly chart, this is the weekly chart, okay, we can see that here also it is trying to cross the short term resistance trend line, which is here, this one. Right now it is trying to go past this resistance line. In fact, it has already broken that trend line this week. From coming week, its move will be very crucial to watch. If it makes a fresh high, then it has got a very good chance that it will try to touch the next resistance level, which is near 210 here. So for long term investment, stop loss can be kept near this 70 range and can be tracked. So please include SATIN in your watch list and start monitoring. That's it for today. If you like this analysis, please subscribe to this channel and also share the video with your friends so that it will give us motivation to create more such videos. Thanks for your valuable time. Bye bye.